Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ new MOBIUZ EX321UX 4K gaming mini LED projector. So friend, BenQ has announced the new 4K gaming mini LED monitor. It is equipped with built-in eARC for up to 7.1 channel for surround audio, ensuring unmatched audiovisual effect via Color Shuttle and BenQ's profile sharing platform with authorized preset tailored for popular games, as well KVM and Scenario Mapping, and each MOBIUZ monitor can host multiple console, PC and source device conveniently, and the next generation MOBIUZ gaming monitor redefine the console gaming experience with stunning detailing, visual, impressive audio and comfortable gameplay. And the monitor is equipped with the latest mini LED panel offering a 1000 nits of brightness, Display HDR1000 certification, and hyper-realistic contrast spectrum enabled by 1152 local dimming zone, 99% coverage of both P3 and Adobe RGB color gamut. So friend, if you like my video, and please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.